Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing my February Boxycharm unboxing because as you guys can see I got my box in the mail a lot earlier than usual, which is great. So let's just get right into this. The theme of this month is Afterglow. It tells you what products that you get is the box. The item that came broken, which is the Pretty Vulgar highlighter in Glow Up. I'm smashed. It's too dark for me, so this isn't a product for me anyways. I was so hoping for the box with the Coco Cabana cream, but oh well. The next item I see, which to be honest is the only item that I'm excited to try this month, is the No Problem Primer by Touch and Soul. I'm actually really excited to try this because I've heard great things. The item that I was least excited for, and I was like, oh, I hope I don't get this, is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Facial Cleanser. I have so many cleansers that I'm not going to get any use out of this for a very long time, so I'm probably going to end up just giving this away to a friend or something because this is just not something that I need in my life right now. But Pharmacy has amazing products. I like their bombs, but not for me. An item that lots of people are excited for is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I have so many mascaras open at the moment, so I'm not even gonna bother to open this. Most likely keep it in my stash of mascaras. It's a good mascara, I do like it. I just prefer others like the Baby Bat Beauty mascara or the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. That is my all-time favorite. This is still a good high-end option, it's just not my favorite. Lastly, we have the Trestique lip glaze in the shade English Rose. I got a mini of these in my Ipsy like 4 years ago. I like that this is a magnetic closure. That's cool. The color's pretty, but I don't think I'd get any use out of this. I'll probably give this to my mom because this is her type of shade. I'm into more of the bright colors currently, so I'll definitely pass this along to her. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm honestly not too impressed with this month's Boxy, but this is the first time I haven't been decently impressed with most of the items. I do think that a lot of people appreciate that they didn't do a palette because usually there's a palette every month. The palettes are usually hit or miss for me, but I am definitely excited to see the products coming out next month. But yeah, this month was just kind of a pass for me, but if you got the other variations with the Coco Cabana, I am jealous of you because I would want that one so bad. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.